Why you choose me? What is the reason? Choose me. Ganito lang ako. What is the reason? Why you choose me? Ganito lang ako. Oh my God, Pami, Pami. Why are you looking like that? My God, my God, anak ko. Maliligaw ka na. Naligaw ng landas. Bata pa naligaw na ng landas. Ano ba ito? Why you choose me? Ganito lang ako. What is the reason? Ano mahimik ka dyan? Hi, Pami Pami! What are you doing, Pami Pami? Nanan gusto? Sabi. What is the reason? Good morning. Ay, good afternoon. Yes, what can I do? Hindi ka pa nagkao. So, ano ang gusto mangyari ni Pami Pami? Makaong ka? Makaong ka? Tell me, tell me, tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do? Ano ang gusto ni Pami? What is the reason? Wait lang. Thank you sa likes. Thank you for the likes. Can I come here? Can I do this one? Hi, Rotansing. Rotansing, hello. Wait, can I do this one? Thank you so much for the 8 people in the house. Hi. Oh my God. I don't like your name.
Siguro ako sa atin, hindi na kamutang. Mga subula.
Ay, sige. Ang sarap yan. Hi, thank you for watching. What is the reason? Why you chose me? Ganito lang ako. What is the reason? Why you chose me? Ganito lang ako. What is the Thank you sa likes and subscribe. Oh, ay, ang biscuit mo. Then, may natag. Sabi nila, look at thank you sa nag-likes. Ganito lang ako. What is the reason? Why? What happened? Why are you sad? Thank you for watching. What is the reason he gave? Why you choose me? Ganito lang ako. What is the reason? What is the reason? Why you choose me? Ganito lang ako. What is the reason? Thank you so much sa nag-likes. Thank you. God bless. Altes. At least. Altes. Wow. Why you choose me? Ganito. Wow, nice girl. Nice girl. There's a reason when I did it. Why you choose me? Thank you, Bets. What it means. What it means. What do you mean? I'm good at it. Do you mean? What do you mean? Do you mean? What is the reason? Why you choose me? Bakit malungkot ka? Hindi ko naman alam ang gusto mo. Dili ko man aram. Tinagal mo na yung biskwit. Hay ng biskwit. Binalik mo? Bakit? Abo mo? Ano naman ang gusto mo? Why? Ano ang gusto? Come on! Gusto mo, Gis?
Oo. Nararamdaman ko.
Why is the reason? Thank you so much for 16 people in the house. Wow, your figure look beautiful. Oh, really? Oh my God. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. Thanks so much. Oh, 10 pesos na. Why you choose me? Thank you so much for buying. Alright, so where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Rachel. From Filipinas. From Filipinas. What is the reason? Why you chose me? Ganito lang ako. What is the reason? Thank you so much. Thank you so likes. Hello. Take a. Oh my God. King John. I don't like pervert here. Sorry, I'm not entertained. Toxic people like you. Maybe you go to another channel. Maybe they will entertain you, but not me. No. It's an X for me. You're an X for me. I love Philippines. Thank you, Rachel. Where are you from, Rachel? Where are you from, Rachel? I am from France. Oh, France is a beautiful country. Yep. What is the reason? France is a beautiful country, my God. Oh, my gulay. What is the reason? It's a you're my miracle. See this is that you. What is the reason? Reason why you choose me? Oh my God. What is the reason? Why you choose me? Kulang ko. Thank you so much. Are you on Instagram? No, I'm not. Sino? Hi, Mr. Mouth. Hi, Mr. Mouth. Franz Makadangdang. Bro, that's my name. Okay, nice to meet you. Hey, Mr. Mouth. What is the reason? Did you miss me? Because I miss you. I miss you here. You're so busy. Thank you, Mr. Mao. Thank you so much. Every thoughtful guest brings a smile. Thank you for supporting our wonderful host with love and kindness. Oh my God, thank you so much, Mr. Mao. Thank you. He said he's from France. Ah, okay. France, Makadangdang. Bari sa iyo. Yan ang binakal mo. Mao yun ang binakal mo, di ba yung pagkaon? Ha? Ha? Hawain lang, kwarta mo na ng binakal mo. Umaya ka ng buran. How are you doing po? I'm just home from the mountain. I'm from the mountain. Just home. My God. What is the reason? Why you doubt me? Thank you so likes. Hello friends. I am not available. I'm engaged. My goodness, wow, the champagnes. What is the reason? Why you choose me? Ganito lang ako, ganito. Oh my God, done. Nice. Bicol loves you much. Yes, po. He loves me so much. Hi, Sir Thomas. Sir Thomas, thank you so much. Bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you so likes. Thank us a gift. Hope you send a gift. What is the reason? Sorry, if you think I'm crazy because I like dancing, maybe if the crazy is someone cheating, lying, they are crazy. For me, that's a crazy and a toxic fun. And I don't know who it is. Someone called me. Someone called you? What? Someone called you? Who? My good. My good. What's the reason? Why you choose me? I don't know. I think it is a. I don't know. I don't know. Why you choose me? Why you choose me? Can you tell and you tell? Kilikili Rivera. And oh my god. What is the reason? Hmm. Why you choose me? Haha. Thank you so much for the likes. That's right. Thank you so much. What is the reason? Why? Oh my god, I'm look like a haggard because I'm just home from the mountain. I need to shower pretty soon. Maybe need to rest the veins from tiredness, something like that. What's the reason? Why you told me to I'm look Hagardo. Hagardo Versosa. Hagard. The Hagardo. He called me again. You know what, Franz Makadangdang? Why he called you? I'm only 7. Oh my god, you're not allowed here. Sorry, no underage here. Not allowed. Underage is not allowed. My god. you choose me? Oh my goodness, Agartha. Oh my god, thank you so much to those who subscribe me. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate the subscribe and for the likes and for the gifts. Ay, thank you. Oh my god, I'm watching my own live, sorry. No one can love me now because my love is still sleeping, so I love myself. What is the reason? Thank you, 13 people. Babang! Babang! Sige yun. Kiss mo si tita. Mm. Mm. Why are you sad? Hmm. Why are you sad? Bakit? What happened? Thank you so likes. Pretty pretty bing bang dang dang. Why are you sad?
Ala, bakit ito?
Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. What? To those who lurking, where are you from? What is your name? Where? Sino may kalinturan? Sino may kalinturan?
Tanto.
Tantoy? May kalinturan si Tantoy?
Opo.
Kay. Badi na bubuli sa school.
Mama, may gas pa ako.
Dito sa plastic. Tud ko.
Wala naman dito.
Ang kulay ito? Ay, nanangang Diyos mo.
Hindi, oh. Nawaran.
Naimod ko pala.
Nawaran ang ano na ako eh.
Doon mo sa ano ha, sa irarong. Diri. Ali ayun ho. Tapos ang sa irarong. Thank you, Stan people watching. 10-10. Ikaw man muna na game.
Ha?
Nalaban. Ano pag dura ka, di mo naman mababalik yun. Balik mo yun na yun. Mara. Makakawarara ang mga gamit. May balik mo sa dati. Sarado mo. Sarado mo ang zipper. Haggard. Ay, nanano mo. Ang sapatos ko. Ano? Ano pa dito? Dito sa baduan mo sa may... Ano, sa may rarom. Sa baduan mo. Sa may uniform. Nakulang ako. Dahil sa isang... Hi, Kim. Hi, Kim 345. Hello. You God was. Thank you. Thanks.
Ringan!
Thank you so much.
Ringan! Loren!
What is the reason? Hi Angel, hello beautiful. What being cooked? Not yet. Not yet. I'm from Argentina. Hi Angel from Argentina. From Argentina. Thank you so much. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so
Ringan ka
much.
na!
Ano? Sige. Last game niyo pag na-pierde ka mo? Last game pag na-pierde ka mo?
Hi, si Janet.
Kauda mo ni...
Hi, si Janet.
Naguli? Pinauli? Right towards me, ganito lang ako, ha? I need to shower, so bye-bye for now. I'm doing live later. I need to shower because I feel sticky. Stinky from the mountain. Thank you so much. I'm doing live later. Bye. I need to shower. wash my body to look fresh. Bye.